At TASA, we also produce refined and concentrated anchovy oil to guarantee tomorrow's nutrition. Let's take a close look at the process. From the arrival of the crude oil produced by each of our plants to the packaging that then will be marketed to the whole world. To know the importance of the oil we produce, we must first talk about the anchovy. This species inhabits the Peruvian Sea, and its fishing is regulated through a quota system that has been recognized by international organizations such as FAO, OECD, and the World Bank, among others. Due to its good management, since it has allowed the biomass of anchovy remains constant at an average of 8.5 million tons per year. Anchovy is the species with the highest natural concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, in the world, and its consumption is essential for the proper functioning of the nervous and cardiovascular systems, among other benefits for the people's general well-being. At TASA, our plants produce crude oil from the fresh anchovy that arrives each fishing season. The anchovy, after being cooked, is pressed to separate the solids, which will become fish meal, from the oils and will be stored in tanks. This oil is transferred to our modern plant located in Pucusana, Lima, where we make our refined oil and omega concentrates. Let's start with the production of the refined oil. The oil refining process consists in the purification of crude oil. This is done through physical chemical processes that eliminate the impurities that give the oil a high color and other pollutants. Additionally, we eliminate the other impurities of crude fish oil and, in the last stage, saturated fats, so that our product meets the highest quality standards of oil for human consumption. Once we have the refined oil, we add a natural antioxidant that will protect it, so it does not deteriorate throughout its useful life until its final consumption. It should be noted that the refined oil process meets the highest quality standards in the industry and is carried out under the strictest conditions of safety and cleanliness. Thanks to this, we can export it to the following countries: Now let's see how we produce omega concentrates. In this process, the objective is to obtain higher concentrations of EPA and DHA in the final product. To do this, we first carry out a pre-treatment to the crude fish oil in which we remove the impurities. After that, this oil goes through a process of conversion from its natural form, triglyceride, to ethyl ester, a molecular form that allows raising the concentrations of EPA and DHA in the later stage. The product, concentrated in omega-3, goes through additional processes that allows to reduce the content of saturated and oxidative compounds to meet quality standards. Finally, a natural antioxidant is added that prevents the deterioration of the product throughout its useful life until its final consumption. These products of high nutritional value and from a sustainable source will be used in different industries as an input for dietary supplements, pharmaceutical products, infant formulas, food and beverages for human consumption, and food for aquaculture. The effluents generated in the production of refined oil and omega-3 concentrates are treated internally in a treatment plant that allows us to obtain water that we use to irrigate the green areas of the plant, complying with the maximum permissible limits. Renewable energy, biogas, is generated from the treated effluents, which is reused, ensuring the eco-efficiency of the system. Our process has certifications that ensure the quality, sustainability, and safety of our products. And we make oils with different profiles. Thanks to the work and dedication of our more than 3,000 workers, and especially our Pucusana plant team, TASA is one of the main suppliers of refined fish oil and concentrates in the world and allows us to fulfill our purpose. We guarantee that tomorrow's nutrition.